guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this video is super late for whatever reason. The editing software that I'm using was not allowing me to edit this properly, so I'm just going to record a new one, and hopefully I don't have to do any editing on this one, and then I'll just be able to post it straight to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by. If you are not, welcome back. This is the last installment for my digital planning series. We are doing digital stickers today. As you can see here, I have my undated calendar, and over here I have my digital stickers. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm doing a split screen. So pretty much how pretty much how you do that is you can pull up in your app menu, hard press it, and then it'll give you the option to split the view, pop in view, or like the app info, that kind of thing. So I just did a split view, and then that's how I got the Google Drive folder and the Samsung Notes app. So we are going to be learning how to use digital stickers. Again, this is from Google Drive. So after you purchase and you download your products, you will get a folder dated pink watercolor undated calendar. So you can download your calendar here, and then you will be able to do the same with your stickers. Can you? No, it looks like you have to go in and download them individually. I didn't know that. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't know that. But another alternative to downloading them individually is just picking them up. Can I pick it up? Let's see. Okay, I thought I could pick it up, but apparently not. Google Drive is just not. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. And I'm going to leave all of this in here so y'all can see that, yes, I made it, and I do, for the most part, know what I'm doing, but maybe not. I don't know. So, split view, notes. Y'all can see I got all of my stuff here. Don't be nosy being all up in my business, okay? I'm just looking for some stickers. Where do I have stickers? I have them everywhere. I have them here. I have some here. I don't even know what stickers I'm looking for real. I got a whole folder of stickers. Let me read these titles. Here we go. Okay, so these are the stickers for my rose gold marble planner, but I'm just going to be using them here today, okay? So let's see. Let's decrease these in size. Now, facts for sure, from here, you can definitely pick these up and move them here. Okay, so we obviously already have the days of the week on here, but for the sake of time and effort, we are going to, I love to crop and just kind of bring them in as close as I can, and then that will be Thursday. Okay, so let's get some numbers in here. Let's see. March started on a Tuesday. Born on a Monday, started on a Tuesday. I think I just mixed in a little bit of Solomon Grundy up in there. Okay, so basically, obviously, these dots around is how you resize your sticker. You can have it any size you want, big or small. Put it anywhere, smooth it around, put it anywhere you want. If when you first start to do this and you find that your stickers are a little stiff, it's because they are anchored to text. So obviously when you type you write, you're starting from left to right. So it's putting you on the left. So you just hit the three dots, which is the menu, and then remove anchor. And then you'll be able to move it freely wherever you want. Okay. So now let's just decorate. So up in here, I actually don't have I don't have any months because let me just move this over here. I don't have any months because the rose gold marble planner has the months on it. It just doesn't have any days. So that's why I don't have any months in this folder. I don't really like this. Do y'all? It looks mushed up, don't it? You gonna get rid of that? Let's do something else. Maybe like this. I wonder. It's probably, oh yeah, see, because I got that texture on there that just goes straight up and down a little bit like that. All right, so like I said, we don't have any months, so let's just try our best to use the handwriting that God blessed us with. I'm gonna make this a little bit brighter. No, let's see. Okay, well, I think that's not what I need anyway. Okay. I'm gonna try to do a little something here, a little something. Let's see. It's almost perfect. Alright. Can we move it over here? Good enough? I think that's good enough. Okay. Let's go back to what we regularly do. Regular pen. Okay, so we have resized it. Let's see. Let's get some layering going on up in here. Let's do some layering. This sticker sheet I purchased from Etsy. I do like it. I just don't like the fact that it isn't pre-cropped. But, however, let's pick up our lasso crop here, which is the same as this button here. And what am I gonna get? Let's get this lady with the coffee. Oh, what? She cut off. Let's go back. Why she cut off like that? Why so crap me? Okay, that's better. So apparently you have to do the whole circle around. Okay, cool. We are just going to I'm just going to put her in right here. Like right here, like this. Okay. And then let's do another lasso crop. Lasso crop. Let's give me the paper clips. I want the paper clips. Is that what these called? I guess they are a form of paper clip. They hold the paper, like the big ones. Yeah, let's demonstrate a little crop. You see, you have the transparency of the entire sheet here. Do not let that confuse you. We just go in, and we're gonna do it like this. The sheet does not go away, it just transparents. Okay, so that's all that is. And I think this is cool. See, we just picked up the little clip by itself. Okay, and we did that. All right, so we got the first. Let's see what we can do with the first. How about I give y'all a little sneak peek of the new font that I have. It's called the excuse me, gold diamond font. So let's see, I'm gonna pick up this number 1. Matter of fact, let's replace it, because that's cooler than what I had here. Okay, and then again, y'all want to put some silver or some gold behind there. Let's see what we got with the gold. Some foil. Will foil be okay? Let's do this one. Matter of fact, let's so when I'm dragging and dropping, let's see, pushing the backspace, I'm long pressing a little bit longer to allow for me to pick it up, and then I can drag it and drop it over here, and then I'm gonna size it. We're gonna size it to fit in this square. We're gonna fit you in this square. And you guys, since I am not going to be doing any editing on this one, I'm just going to post it up kind of raw how it is. I'm not going to do the entire calendar. I'm not going to make you guys sit through that. Y'all going to be skipping it. Y'all not going to watch it. It's going to be a waste. The algorithm's going to be messed up. I'm not doing that. So we're just going to play around with this. We're going to move it backwards. The one is on top. Look at that. It's layered. Got your layer right there. So let's put somebody needs to go over there. Let's put and then anytime you do have it selected and you forget to just deselect it, you can push the back button and it goes away. Okay, so we're gonna zoom out, pick up the sheet, let's lasso her right here. Okay, we're gonna lasso she right here. Then let's just put her in here. Okay, so that is how you use and you place your digital stickers. Because you guys will be getting digital stickers from Google Drive, you more times than not, you're just going to have to go ahead and download each individual sticker. I didn't know that would happen like that. I'm so sorry. I do apologize for that. Yeah, that sucks. Really sorry. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it. If you have any questions, you can contact me in the comments below, or on my website, or on my many social media pages. Everything will be in the description. That is the end of this series, and I'm working on some other things. So just stay tuned. I don't want to take up all of you guys' time. I just wanted to keep this down to 15 minutes. So stay tuned for all of that. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Bye.